Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another video for Scrap Timber, a video a day. And there's the mood board that I decided to get my inspiration from. So I went in and did a little bit of photo play and a Christmas layout. I just wanted to change it up a little bit. I know the fall is coming around the corner and I realized that everything that I have to scrap is either winter or summer right now. I don't have any of my fall layouts anymore. I scrapped them all last fall, and so now I've got to take pictures to be able to do that. So I decided to grab out some pictures from one of the many Christmas markets that I went to while we were stationed in Germany. And I was playing around with my camera at one of them because this particular Christmas market is actually down in a valley that is hidden by all of these hills and stuff. I mean, it was like a winding thing to go down to this where this Christmas market was, and it's tucked literally right underneath one of the oldest train system that still runs to this day. Like, it ran while we were there, and you literally felt the ground shake, and it was awesome because it reminded me of being back home, to my home state of North Dakota, living in my small town, and we would literally feel the train, and we were 4 blocks away from the train tracks, but because we were such a small town, we could hear and feel this track. So it brought a lot of memories back from home and all that kind of stuff. And there's tons of waterfalls. And I took these two particular pictures, I took after I've had probably, I don't know, a good 3-4 glasses of Glühwein or a couple of the other drinks that they had. And this particular one that I'm taking a picture of is this stein that we got is full of the beer style Glühwein that they had, which is pretty much wine. It's just warm. And it was a cold day. It snowed the night before, so we had brand new snow when we got there. It was just a surreal, serene place. And these two pictures, we were going up a trail. They had a bunch of little elves looking things along this trail, and on one side of it you could sit and take pictures on it, which I will probably be doing that throughout this year to finish out my Christmas markets. And then on the other side is where this waterfall and stream type thing was. And so I'm a few drinks in, and I get my big camera out, and I'm like, you know what, this is going to look awesome if I could get some good pictures of this cup sitting on a rock and with the stream in the back. So the first picture is focusing on the stream, and my Glühwein cup is faded out or fuzzy. And then the second picture that you see is when I'm focusing on the cup and the background is fuzzy. So ultimately, that's what this picture is about. I really went into a big old thing and not really telling you what I did. And so I got out this collection called Winter Wishes. And I'm just placing down these little things because we're literally out in the boonies. Like, it took us about 2.5 hours to this place. We had to buy tickets to get in, where most of the Christmas markets that you go to, you don't have to buy, because they have to have a count of how many people is going to be there in the day. Because you could stay all day if you wanted to, but they did have a number of participants per day that they could have, because they shut it off. And you had to get they had to put a risk list on you, everything. So it was like this big old, it was a huge deal. Like, you had to get them there. And if they had too many, you had to wait until some of us left before they would allow more people in. So And it is completely outdoors, and it was just awesome. So, like I said, I took this collection and I just wanted to make it look very wintry and outside, very outdoorsy, that kind of thing. And here I am, I'm placing down everything, and my title is going to be Noel, because I don't know, I thought it was just fitting. Why, I don't know, but it was. And I leave a lot of the space open, and I don't do much embellishments to it because the papers are very busy, and this is literally a paper collection that is print on print on print, and I have no issue doing print on print on print. Like, I have no problem at all. And I place my little title there, and I do get the heart and the little fox, or not the heart, yeah, the fox, the owl, and I pulled a bear, as well as my 3 little animals that I placed on here. And I just thought it was pretty cool looking. I mean, this took really easy to get done. Like, it took me, like, this video was only 24 minutes, and I had to edit it. So that's why it looks like it's kind of slower than my normal ones, because this literally took me under 30 minutes to do. This mood board was easy peasy for me to do. And the mood board was from Pinterest. I'll link it down below because I know where I got it from because I save them all, but I will link it so you can see where I got that mood board from. The person that does these mood boards are amazing. I don't remember her name, but I definitely love her stuff and I use it a lot. And then this little banner here that I put onto the side there, I tuck it down and it just says Happy Holidays, because really it was a happy holiday, because Christmas markets in Germany are to die for, and I wish we would have a lot more here in the States of those, but we don't, and it's okay, because that was the experience that I took. The very last Christmas season there, I went to every one that I could think of that I wanted to go to for Christmas markets, and I went, whether my family came with me or not. So make sure that you go check out all of the ladies that are part of Scrap Timber. Make sure you're checking out all the videos. This is day 13, so I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this. And the still shots will be definitely coming up. And I may add that bear off camera, but you will see in the still shots. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!